Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. In today's video, I'm going to be showing some super easy Dollar Tree DIYs for your coffee bar, and I'm going to do a collaboration with my other channel, Araceli Chan Lifestyle, and I'm going to share your Dollar Tree must-haves for your coffee bar. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of this DIY family by subscribing to my channel, hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and yeah, let's get on to it.
Before we get our DIY on, I do want to thank Scentbird for sponsoring this video, and I also want to let you guys know that your support and clicking any of my affiliate links is super supportive of my channel, and it lets me continue doing what I love and sharing with you guys. So if you didn't know what Scentbird is, it is a monthly subscription for brand name and designer fragrances. The monthly subscription fee is $14, but Scentbird is actually going to give you 30% off of your first order, which means you will only pay $10 whole for one of the perfumes that you want of your choice. They really do have a huge selection, not only for yourself, but also for your husband or your boyfriend or your son or whoever. If they have expensive taste, but it's not in your budget, this is the perfect way to go. You can change up the scent that you want to try. You can change up the frequency or how many bottles you can get each month. If you decide that you don't like Scentbird, you can cancel at any time, but you also have to remember they do have free shipping every time. Today I'm going to share with you guys the 3 scents that were sent to me. One of my favorite things about the packaging is that it comes in this really cute velvety pouch that you can open and close. It is really lightweight and small, so you can take it on the go and you don't have to worry about carrying around a big bulky bottle of your favorite perfume. I really like the little container that it comes in that you can twist up and down to open and close. You can see their logo at the top. You can actually take the container out to see exactly how much perfume you have in there. And so I think it's perfect because this has about 120 to 140 sprays.
So the first scent that I got is Vince Camuto Illuminaire. This one is more on the sweeter scent, which I don't typically go for, but I actually really like this one. I wouldn't mind having this one again. This second scent is also Vince Camuto, but I've already worn this one a couple of times and it actually really lasts throughout the day. It's really a fresh scent. I am going to save the best for last though, and this is going to be in the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute. Previously they had sent me the Versace Bright Crystal, which smells pretty similar. If I were to recommend any of the perfumes, this is definitely it. It has become one of my staples and I honestly cannot wait to get my next bottle once this one is gone. For this DIY, I'm going to be using these little glass jugs, and they come with a lid that has the holes on the top. And then I will also be using these chalkboard tags.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow.
So I literally just bought this painter's marker from Walmart and it literally sucks. It's like watery. It's not very good at all. I thought it was going to be like a chalk marker, but the only other one that I have is pretty thick. I didn't want my letters to be that big, but I guess that's what we're going to have to do.
When the day is the darkest night and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before, gonna come to your town.
For this one, I'm going to be using these glass jars with the screw-on lid. And then I also bought this chalkboard paint, which is new to Dollar Tree, so this is the first time I use it. Hopefully it works.
An easy trigger puts another to the ground in disbelief, staring at his fingers through which his blood runs with his life. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be.
For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and take this sign that's shaped in a jar, and then I'm going to remove the glitter on this, and I'm also going to paint it with the black chalk paint.
hard to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. Think of you and of all I should have done.
I'm going to be using those tin canisters and then also some of these tags. These are also from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 6.
From the wealth of the color of your skin, and all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late. You wonder why, Cornelia. Your everyday is a struggle and a strife. But don't you agree? With beating hearts, we're still alive. There comes a time all you have is who you love. And Cornelia, you'll be all I'm thinking of. You don't mean a thing what shape or form that you're in. What place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin. It's all too late, and you wonder why, Cornelia.
That is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to get your discount with Scentbird using the link and my discount code down below. And also don't forget to check out your Dollar Tree must-haves for your coffee bar on my other channel. I will link that video down below. If you did enjoy this video, I would appreciate a big thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below. Go ahead and share which DIY was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.